In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filters in Zoom Web. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Zoom website. Open your preferred web browser and type in app.zoom.us, or simply click on the link if you have it readily available. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. You'll see the Sign In button on the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and you'll be directed to the Sign In page. Now, if you've linked your Zoom account to your Google account, this next step is for you. Instead of entering your credentials manually, you can take a shortcut by clicking the Google button on this page. This action will help you streamline the sign-in process by choosing the Google account that's connected with Zoom. If prompted, simply click on your Google account and you'll be signed in instantly without needing to remember your Zoom-specific username or password. With Zoom open, you've got two options. You can immediately join an ongoing meeting or create a new meeting. For our purposes here, let's say you're creating a meeting or joining an existing one. This should bring you to a page where you can adjust your video settings. Now the fun really begins. Make sure your webcam is turned on. Look for the camera icon and click to activate it if it's not on already. Most often, it's at the bottom left corner of your Zoom windows. Now next to this camera icon, there's a small arrow pointing upward. This is your access point to video options. Click on this arrow and a menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, you'll see an option called Video Filters. Select it to reveal a range of exciting filters available for your use. This feature allows you to be creative and add a touch of fun to your meetings. They can range from simple color adjustments to virtual accessories and backgrounds. Take your time to browse through the options and select a filter that you feel comfortable with or one that matches the mood of your meeting. And there you have it, a complete guide to adding filters in your Zoom web sessions. From accessing Zoom, signing in through Google, launching your meeting, and ultimately enhancing your video presence with engaging filters. It's a straightforward process designed to make your virtual meetings a bit more enjoyable. So go ahead, give it a try in your next Zoom call, and explore the variety of appearances you can achieve with these built-in features. Thank you for joining me today, and happy Zooming!